Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be cleaning and decorating this kitchen area. I will be cleaning the kitchen and decorating this small hutch that sits right off of my dining room table. I will be decorating it for Christmas. I love the way it turned out. It turned out so cute. I cannot wait to show it to you. But I am super excited about today's video because it is a collab with my sweet friend April from Southern Belle Design. Here's her Instagram right here, and she will be decorating her coffee bar. I cannot wait to see it. So as soon as you are done with my video, be sure to check out hers, and let's get right into it. Okay, I just wanted to quickly show you my kitchen before I started cleaning, and I also want to show you what this hutch looks like right now. I did have it decorated for fall, but I had moved things around here and there, and I was really wanting to decorate this for Christmas time, and I am so excited to show you what I did here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is just remove all of the decor that I have up here right now, and then I am going to wipe everything down really nice and clean. I'm going to clean the very top of this hutch. I'm going to clean the doors and all of the shelves in here, and I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day all-purpose cleaner, and this one is in the Snowdrop scent. Now that I have this hutch all nice and clean, I'm going to start to decorate, and I will start at the very top of this hutch. I wanted a change, something different, so I thought I would add these 3 scales that I normally have sitting on top of my refrigerator. I wanted to add them over here. I thought that would give it that farmhouse look, and for the middle scale, I just added a few plates just to add a little more height, and then I will top them off with these little mini wreaths. I actually think they are for candles, but I wanted to add something Christmassy to the top, but also give it that feel that it was still kitchen decor. So I added these milk glass teacups with a little bottle brush Christmas tree. I really wanted to add a really pretty garland to the top of this hutch, but it just wasn't working out too well for me. I tried kind of placing it on top, but it was covering up the scales that I had sitting up there. So I decided to take these command hooks and just kind of stick them right on the front, and then I just hooked my garland to those, and it worked out perfectly. So I really wanted to stick with the kitchen theme with the plates and the teacups, so I thought I would add a stack of antique plates right here in the corner, and then 3 little milk glass teacups, and then I'm also going to add a few little Christmas items just to kind of tie it in with the theme here, and I will be adding a few pine cones in the cups, and then this little sprig of pine between the 2. And then I have this gingerbread company sign. I picked that up at Target in the dollar spot, and then I have this little bird feeder here that I picked up at Goodwill a while back, And I'm just going to be adding some of those red garland berries that I had previously shown you in one of my other videos. Okay, so if you guys are like me, I struggle tremendously when I am trying to place things together or style a shelf or decorate like a little area of my house. And I have noticed that when you pair things in groups of 3, everything seems to just flow and look a little bit better, or if you group like items together. And I started doing this and I have noticed a huge difference in the way my decor looks. And so right here I have these 3 like items together, and then on the other side I have the 3 birds over in the corner, and then I just added different heights. And I think it turned out looking really pretty. Now I'm just going to finish off this bottom shelf using this farmhouse style plate rack, and then I'm just going to add some pine sprays along with this really cute country Christmas sign that I picked up from Walmart. And then I thought this clock would look really pretty right here in the middle on the middle shelf, and I love the way this hutch turned out. I think it turned out super cute and I am so in love with it. So now that my hutch is all nice and decorated exactly the way I want it, I am going to start cleaning up this kitchen. So the first thing that I'm going to do in here is just empty the dishwasher, put all of those dishes away, put the dishes away that have been drying out from previously, and then I will hand wash a few of the items as well, and then I will also load the dishwasher back up with the items that can go in the dishwasher. So if you guys have been around for a while, you will know that my favorite thing to use to clean my sink is the soft scrub cleanser, but I am out of that. I need to go pick up some more. So today I'm just going to be using a little bit of Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and some spearmint essential oil. And this made my sink smell so incredibly good. It didn't do as good of a job as whitening my sink as the soft scrub, but it did clean it really well and I was very happy with it. So the last thing I do to clean out my sink is just drop down a little lemon scented plank down in my garbage disposal, and it just makes everything smell really nice and fresh. Now I'm just going to wipe down my countertops really well and my kitchen table, and for that I will be using the same Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner in the Snowdrop scent.
Anything I do, just follow. take everything you can find. We stay here until tomorrow. Can't let them win this time. Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other.
So now that my kitchen is all nice and clean, I have found my happy place. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have a particular room that just makes you feel so relaxed when it's all nice and clean. The kitchen is definitely it for me, the kitchen and my bedroom, but I love cleaning the kitchen. It's definitely one of my favorite chores of all time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check out April's video. I will have it linked down in my description box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.